6:18 now on your Friday morning, and new this morning, we are seeing the mental health impacts from a wave of anti-LGBTQ plus legislation across the country. That impact is being felt here in Colorado as well in several different ways. Our Anusha Roy is following the story for us this morning, and Anusha, we are actually seeing more people moving to Colorado because they're considering this a safe haven.
Yeah, they definitely are, and that's what I was learning from Stephen Haden, who works with Envision. It's a group working on behavioral health in the LGBTQ plus community. He said he's been watching several hundred pieces of anti-LGBTQ plus legislation discussed this year alone, and that a third are directly focused on the transgender community. Haden said that has led to higher rates of anxiety and depression, substance use, as well as concerns about suicide. In specific, Haden said the Trevor Project is focusing on youth, and according to a survey last year, it was showing around half of all Colorado LGBTQ youth were reporting symptoms of depression and anxiety, and a quarter reported seriously considering suicide in the last year. A big factor here is that wave of legislation and the rhetoric that was coming with it, creating this sense of fear and stress and uncertainty. At the same time, though, Haden said Colorado is considered a safe haven by so many, and that means more people are moving here too.
We're among one of 16, 17 states around the U.S. that are creating sort of safe havens for members of our community. So we are seeing a rise in people relocating to Colorado and other places, which is great that they are able to find themselves in communities that are going to be supportive to who they are. I think the challenge for us is to be able to build up the workforce to meet those needs. So we already have a shortage of mental health workers. We already have a shortage of medical providers who specialize in this area of care. So I do worry about longer wait times as people move here.
So Haden brings up a really important point that while Colorado is considered a safe haven, that is not the entire state. There are people who are driving hours across Colorado to get to a place like Denver and Boulder for care. Haden said that they have a lot of work to do with city councils, mayors, and school boards that do have a very direct influence in the immediate communities that we are living in.
Yeah, so Anusha, it sounds like some work is being done there to combat this problem. What are some examples that you're seeing?
Yeah, Envision is doing some really great work where they are providing training with therapists and behavioral therapists as well to kind of make sure that they have that right education to help people in the way that they need. And one of the things that Stephen said that really stuck out to me, he said that even if a kid has one person that they can trust, it dramatically increases their mental health and makes them feel better. And that one person can really change their trajectory. So he said, consider if you can be that person.
Absolutely. And speaking as an openly gay man myself, I can say that is absolutely true, Anusha. We appreciate you. Thank you.